All right, in today's video, we're going to go over a wonderful resource to help you find Web 2.0's, comments, and a bulk of other platforms that you can post your links to. Now, this may not be for some of your clients, but if you have some projects that you're trying to get some links established, this could certainly help you out. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. So let's get into this resource, this wonderful website resource that you can use to go ahead and find some links to help along your site. So I'm going to show you this resource right now. I'll go over a few things and that will wrap up today's video. So the site that you're going to want to head to is no, just kidding. It's actually called CommentHunt.com. Now, this is a wonderful resource. Like I said, maybe you're trying to power up your tier 1 links. Maybe it's a fresh website. You just want to get some links sent out. What's really good for local is before your competitors go ahead and get all the Web 2.0s with your brand name, you should go and do it first. So let's go ahead and start with that. Web 2.0 sites. As you can see on this list, I mean, there are literally hundreds and hundreds. These are the Web 2.0 properties. And like I just mentioned, generally with local SEO, you will go ahead before your competition, go get on these platforms with your business.tumblr, your business name.wordpress, your business FC2, right down the list. Your business keyword or keyword business, whatever the site is, and you want to do this before your competition does it before you. So here's a list. I'll just go over some of this. Again, this is Comment Hunt. This will help you establish some backlinks. Maybe as tier 1, I don't know if you want to, use this towards client work. However, it is a definite helpful resource for you. Here's profile creation sites. I mean, I've seen lists online, but when I've stumbled across this is a very helpful resource, and I really wanted to help you guys and show this to you. So it's Comment Hunt. I'm not affiliated with them. I have no idea who they are. I think they have a wonderful resource. You can take a look. And here's some social bookmarking sites. They're not as powerful as they once were. However, I'm sure that you know the power of them. Now, quick note, no follow links, just because they're no follow does not mean that they are not valuable. Okay? A no follow, you can rank sites with powerful no follow links. Let me leave you with this piece of information. If you feel as though a no follow link does not carry any weight, if you could have a wiki link pointed to your site, would it not help the performance and the metrics of your website? I'll leave you with that. Take a look at Comment Hunt. This will help you out, establish some base backlinks, and it's been wonderful. I will see you in the next video.